Amazing. Kaukonpolku 6, and is it Turkish the
Yeah.
in Kerava, Cherkut, Helsinki, Helsingfors region, Finland. 4 persons for 325 dirhams. And we got inside here by guessing the right code. There are 6 floors here. It's a 1977 H37356. It's going to be inspected this year, 2019. Turned 40 years old, 2017. Amazing, it's still completely original.
Yeah.
Green walls. It's 10th of August 2019. Luckily this still hasn't been modernized.
Yeah.
There are a lot of foreigners living here in the area.
Yeah.
Yes. But there are not as many of them as in Sweden.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Inspected and maintained by one lift.
Yeah, unfortunately by one lift, and they were modernized by one lift.
Yeah.
There it doesn't say anything on the door.
Yeah.
I think in towns and cities with a Swedish the Swedish speaking minority, there they have the doors where they say where it also shows the year.
Yeah.
I've noticed it's more in those municipalities. This hat didn't stop that well.
Yeah. Typical senior maintenance.
Red door from here. That's it.
That's